Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying what you already have so you don't overwrite something important. Run Java version and /usr/libsec/Java home v to list installed JDKs. This tells you the current vendor and version. If Homebrew is missing, install it now so package management is easy. Homebrew streamlines JDK installs. Then pick the exact JDK version you want, for example Temurin 17 or 11, and note it. Once done, you'll be ready to install the chosen build. You install the JDK and wire it into your shell. Use Homebrew. Brew install cask Temurin 17 or your chosen cask. Brew fetches and places the JDK in /library/java/Java virtual machines. Next, run /usr/libsec/Java home v17 to get the precise JVM path. Then edit your shell config /. ZSHRC or /. Bash profile to export Java home equals $/usr/libsec/Java home v17 and prepend $Java home /bin to path. After saving, source the file so the new Java is active in your terminal session. You finish by confirming the update and knowing how to fix problems. Run Java version and echo $Java home to ensure the terminal uses the intended JDK. To switch later, export Java home equals $/usr/libsec/Java home v11 or install gen for per project control. If you see permission issues or unexpected versions, check /library/Java/Java virtual machines for duplicates. Repair permissions or reinstall the cask. One key troubleshooting tip. If system still reports an old Java, restart your terminal and confirm your shell config is sourced correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.